Hello everyone, I hope you are well. Today I will make the program on the switch conditional statement. In this program I would make the counting system, grading system using the while loop and the switch conditional structure statement. In this program I will enter the grade and as a result CGPA would be displayed. Now to store the grade we need the character data type, character grade on cout. Enter grade in grade, write the switch keyword and in the round brackets write the grade, because in this program we have to differentiate between the choices on the basis of the grade. Now if case is and with colon a or lowercase a cout me your, okay, write in the double inverted commas, your CGPA is 4.0 and break here and with semicolon. Now copy it for another choices. Okay, right here capital B and lowercase b, lowercase c and capital C, and also replace it with 3.0 and 2.0. If you doesn't understand the method of writing the switch and what is the purpose of the break case and another in default, please watch my previous tutorial. In previous tutorial I discuss all these terms: default, cout, invalid. If I enter grades other than A, B, C, so these statements would not be executed. Now what to do? Go to default and display me invalid. Okay, add the counters, and count A is equal to 0. We need to initialize all the counters to 0 because to start the counter we also make the start from the 0. Count B is equal to 0 and count C is equal to 0. Okay, replace it with commas, and here add count A plus plus incremented. Similarly for B, add count B plus plus and count C plus plus. Okay, also add the while loop here. While suppose we have 10 students in class, so let's start from 10. A less than 10. Also make another variable A is equal to 0 for the looping condition. If this condition is true, the body in the loop would be executed. If the condition becomes wrong, all the body would not be executed and the compiler would go out of the while loop. And this is the body, this bracket and this bracket is the body of the while loop. In the end I need to write a plus plus. Okay, If you do not understand the syntax of the while loop and how we use the while loop, I will make another tutorial on this while loop. Now just get the knowledge about the switch conditional structure statement. The basic aim of this program is to know the method of using the switch structure and how to make a counters. This is the basic aim. Okay, now click on build. Okay, run, enter grade. If I enter grade A, your CGPA is 4. Now due to loop, the compiler asking for another grade. I enter B, enter your CGPA is 3, enter grade C. Okay, now enter grade here. I am writing /n to display the intergrade in the next line and not display with the same line with the your CGPA is 4.0, etc, etc. A, your CGPA is 4, again A, again A, again A. Now let's enter B. Now let's enter C. Okay, your CGPA is 2. Now how to display the counters in the end of the program and outside of the while loop. Let's write the cout number of students got grade A count A. Now copy it. Number of students got grade B, grade C, and here replace A with B, and here replace A with C. Now click on build and run. Okay, now entering grade A, your CGPA is 4. Now again enter grade A. I enter 4 times grade A. Now enter grade B 4 times. Now C 2 times. Enter. Your CGPA is 2.7. Now number of students got grade A 4. Number of students got grade B 4. And number of students got grade C is 2. And to display these all the statements in the next line, write the and L or backslash in N in the double inverted commas. Okay guys, I hope you got it. If there is any problem or any kind of questions, kindly drop your questions in the comment section. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching my tutorial.